Hi, welcome to my class with me, Miss Vera. Today we're gonna learn how to add mixed numbers. As you remember, a mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. 2 1/3, 2 as a whole number, 1/3 as a proper fraction. In the picture, 2 wholes and 1 part out of 3 parts. So 2 1/3 actually from 2 wholes plus 1 over 3. Okay, let's see example number 1, how to add mixed number. 5 3/8 plus 1/3, actually we can write 5 plus 3/8 plus 1/3. Now you can see the whole number only 5. Then what we need to do is adding the fractions. But to add the fractions, we have to make sure they have the common denominators. And then to exchange the bottom numbers to get the common denominator, then we need to look for the smallest common multiple of 8 and 3, which is it's 24. Then we exchange the denominators, become 24. Here 24. Now 8 times 3 24, then 3 times 3 9, 3 times 8 24, then 1 times 8 8. Okay, because they have the common denominators already, then we can just adding the numerator. So 9 plus 8 17, and the denominator is 24. Now adding the whole number and the fractions. So 5 17 over 24. Okay, let's see example number 2. 4 3/4 plus 2 1/3. Then we can write 4 plus 3/4 plus 2 plus 1/3. Because all the parts are being added, so we can adding the whole numbers first. 4 plus 2, 6, then followed with the fractions. Plus 1/3. Now here 6, as you can see, 3/4 and 1/3, they are unlike fractions. So we need to exchange the bottom numbers to get the common denominators by looking the smallest common multiple of 4 and 3, which is 12. So we exchange the denominators into 12. 4 times 3 12, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 1 times 4 4. Then they have the common denominators already for the fractions, so we write 6 in here and add the numerator. 9 plus 4 13 over denominator 12. 13 over 12, it's improper fraction, so we need to exchange it into a mixed number. So 6 plus 1 1 over 12. Then we can write it 6 plus 1 over 12. Adding the whole numbers, 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 over 12. Then we add 7 to 1 over 12. Equals 7 1 over 12. Okay, let's see example number 3. 6 5 over 6 plus 1 3/4. We can write 6 plus 5 over 6 plus 1 plus 3/4. The same way, we add the whole numbers first. 6 plus 1 7, followed with the fractions. Now here we write 7, and then again we need to exchange the bottom numbers to get the common denominators by looking the smallest common multiple of 6 and 4, which is 12. So we write exchange the denominators into 12. Now 6 times 2 12, 5 times 2 10. 4 times 3, 12, 3 times 3, 9. Then here 7, we can just add the numerator. 10 plus 9, 19 over denominator 12. Again, 19 over 12, it's an improper fraction. So we need to exchange it into a mixed number. So 7, 1, 7 over 12. And then we can write 7 plus 1 plus 7 over 12. Adding the whole numbers, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 7 over 12. Now add 8 with 7 over 12. Become 8, 7 over 12. Okay, so here, point to remember, to add mixed numbers, first we need to add the whole numbers, then followed by adding the fractions. Okay guys, I hope you understand.